So it is January 13th and we stopped over to the house to see what is going on. This is gonna be the second part of my video since they are done with sanding and drywall. So I think we got concrete. So let's go take a look. Looks like they started siding a little bit. Okay, they did concrete. Look at that. Oh, look, they got some wood, cutting some wood, got a table saw. Woo! Oh, it smells so new. Smells new. Let's go look. Oh, they set some cabinets. And it smells like paint. It smells like paint. Oh, sweet. Check out the eBay room. It's pretty dark in here. Got doors there. eBay room is blue, like a gray blue. Nice. I like that too. That looks good. All right, cool. Check out the bathroom. Oh, the vanities in the bathroom. That looks good. Kim, step back and light it up.
Kim, that means our bedroom.
Oh, nice.
The colors that we want because this is it.
Look at our bedroom. Oh, it's like a dark blue, slate gray. Yeah, this is sharp. Woo, nice.
Yeah, let's go check out.
Okay, yeah. That's really blue. I don't know. That's really blue. Oh, they set the cabinets.
It's a pretty shade.
Cabinets
We're
look
definitely
good.
playing hide and seek today.
It's like a really baby blue. I don't know. I don't know about
You
that.
guys can't slam our doors.
Door there.
We have a kitchen.
We have a kitchen.
We have a kitchen.
Whoa, guys, we have a kitchen. Look at that.
It's so short. Like
Wow. Let's get back here and take a look at this thing. Yeah, look at that, guys. You like that?
yeah.
That looks sweet. It's all gray in here. Hold on. All right, we're going Cam's first. Let's go Cam's first. Don't look at your room then, Peyton. Don't cheat. Don't cheat. Oh, good job. Good job. Oh, look at that. Your blue wall. Let's see. Cabinet. Oh, yeah. Sink is all in. What color is this room? Is this like gray? Yeah, this is gray. Okay, perfect. All right. We got your blue wall here.
Wow.
Oh, sweet. The rest is all gray.
To make a bed, I think.
That's sweet. What do you think, Kim? You like that color?
Oh yeah.
You like that? All right, Peyton, let's go check out your bedroom. You picked a blue.
It's so pretty.
It's so pretty. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow.
It's in here.
It does look bright in here. Your closet's gray. What about your, do you have your thing in, your vanity? Oh, yeah, your vanity's all set. That's awesome. You're gonna have so much counter space. So much counter space for all your product.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that.
This does look amazing. I love the kitchen. I think that looks sweet. Look how big that island is.
It's huge.
Woo. I think we have a front porch. Let's check out the front door. See if we got a porch. Pretty sure they poured a porch. So, yep, we got a front porch too. Nice.
Should we go up?
I wouldn't. Not yet. I don't know, so just don't.
Okay.
Cool. Okay, we just found something out demonstrating the slow close. We got slow close cabinets.
Dad, ready?
You did it too fast. Look at that, the slow close cabinet. Bougie, baby. All right, so it is January 16th on a Friday. We stopped over to see the house. We have doors and some trim. And let's see.
Room tour.
Oh, MTV Cribs, room tour edition. We have trim on the windows, trim on the doors. Peyton's master closet's all trimmed out. I think the vanities are in. Yeah, the vanities are in. They're dusty, but they're in place. Cool. Okay. Sick boy here came home from school today with a chest cold, but we're gonna check the house out. MTV Cribs, Cam edition. Nice door. Oh yeah. Oh, they got a heater in there. Okay, he wanted some heat. Nice. Nice. Oh, we got some closet doors. Check out the doors out, see if they work good. Those nicer than the ones at home?
Yeah.
Yeah. Peyton, come here. Look, Cam's got closet doors.
Got what?
Closet doors.
I don't know.
So here is the messy, dirty living room. I did finish the door and brought it over, so it's gonna be hung here probably next week. Has all some trim. This is James's big old saw. Peyton, what are you doing?
I drew Dad.
Aw.
Dad plus Mom. Cam plus Peyton. Gracie equals Parker.
Aw, cute. That's cute.
Yeah.
So today is January 19th. We stopped over at the house. It looks like they were able to tape and everything in the garage here. That's good. Got a heater going because it's -9 with a feels like temperature. Yeah, nice. So it looks like the guy's done hanging cabinets and everything. All of his tools are gone. So, looking good. All right, so it's January 21st. We stopped over the house. We are going to go in the basement and sweep the basement so the kids can play. But we have some weird things in the kids' bedrooms. We don't know what these are. They look like cabinets or drawers, but they're definitely not ours. So
Maybe it's something for somebody else's house.
possibly, I don't know why they'd bring the stuff to our house to do it, but I mean, it's possible.
January 20th. James Dunlop Trim, painters.
So right now, we are down in the basement. The kids are roller skating. We have one light, a couple brooms, and we are sweeping the basement. This place is big and dusty and dirty. Woo! But it's gonna be cleaned up. Gonna be cleaned up now. All right, so it's January 22nd. We got Jonathan over there doing some siding work for us. Provia siding. So very nice. It's very cold today, but they're out here working. And we did speak with Aaron yesterday, and this is somebody else's kitchen cabinets. They just used our house to paint them. So not totally happy about that. Look at our bedroom. You know, there's crap all over. It's not even our stuff they're painting. They tape the windows off. So what are you gonna do? So today, in the freezing cold, they are working on some siding. Woohoo. Okay, so we are back at the house, and they've already done the whole side of the house there. The soffit is already done underneath the porch. Coming around the back here, we got the back going good. They already got the back over there done too. So it's still the same day. We came back again, and they are finished siding. That is nuts. That looks really good. Did some nice work. All right, so here is the back porch area. Looks good. They got all the ceiling installed. We'll get a fan over there. Looks really good. And those guys did a good job. All right, so I'm standing on the massive dirt mound. Check out the front of the house. So obviously it will be stone everywhere you don't see siding. They did a nice job. They came out here and did this in one day. There was like 5 or 6 Amish guys out here. Very nice. So it is January 29th. We stopped over at the house real quick, and the painters are here painting doors. They are filling nail holes, and they're gonna be painting soon. Woohoo! So it is February 2nd, and the installation guys are here, and they put up this nice barrier all around the basement. Still cold out, and the painter guy is upstairs still working, filling holes and painting trim. So it looks like our beams have showed up. They look very beat up, and they will look very nice and rustic when they are installed. They are hollow, so they'll just wrap around the 2x4s up in the ceiling there. And they also finished the garage, so the garage is all drywalled as well. Oh, we got arches there too. Cedar arches for the eaves. All right, so it is February 4th. We stopped over real quick. The painters are still here. They stained our beams. So those are gonna go up soon, I would take it. And they are painting, looking really good. So they have finished the master closet and bathroom, and they did change the color in here. So that was a $350 mistake, but live and learn. This color looks way better than that bright blue. And here is our eBay office, all done and painted. They said these painters were good, and they are proving it. Looks really nice. So February 7th, and we have beams up there. Those look beautiful. Wow, those look really cool. And we got a mantle. I don't know.
Like it's sat here.
I don't know why the electric's there. I don't know why.
Really nice.
I'm not sure why they did that, but
The TV is there.
painters are done, I think. Oh, Peyton's yelling. Peyton's yelling. Oh gosh. What do we got in here? Oh, Peyton, your room is so pretty. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Look, you see that view, except for the
Wow, it looks so pretty in here.
not dirt.
Cam, let's go check your room.
Wow. Looks great. Look at your closet, girl. Girl. You have
Bathroom's all done. Oh, look at your blue wall, dude.
Yeah.
That is sweet.
Jamaican Bay.
Jamaican Bay. It looks really blue on my camera, but it's Jamaican Bay. Jamaican me crazy. Oh, they did so good.
Nice doors. Gosh, there's so much nice.
Oh,
Oh, the things you can do in a house with no flooring. Whee! Oh, bunny hopping it. Sure can. Nice. Watch out for the heater. So today is February 9th, and the guys from Chippewa Stone are here installing our countertops and hard surfaces. Here is the kitchen. Looking good, looking good.
Kids' bathrooms are done.
Looks like they have also done the kids' bathrooms. This is Peyton's room. Let's go check out Cam's. And they do have Cam's in as well. The sink's obviously not in, they just got here, but that's what it's gonna look like-ish. It is February 10th. It is very muddy because it was 50 degrees today. The kids are in shorts, and I think they started flooring, so we're gonna go take a look.
That's pretty.
That's pretty. Yeah. You guys haven't seen that yet, have you?
Dad, find me. Come and find me.
So they did not start flooring today, but we have flooring and a mechanical bull. Oh wait, maybe not. So there is our wood that we picked out. That's probably, oh okay, that must be what they put down for the wood floor. There's our tile.
I like that.
It's really cool.
It's really neat. And then they got a bunch of,
Shower.
yeah, grout and wood and stuff. Yep. Cool. This must be for the tile. Lots of wood, a lot of wood floors in this house. All right, it is February 11th, and I stopped over real quick to actually sell the remaining cedar boards I had to a guy. And it looks like the guys were here today, and they put down the Ditra. Everywhere there's tile going in. So they put that down, and then they also got the wood out. Gotta let it get used to the temperature in here, so they got that all sitting out, so. It is February 16th. We're supposed to meet the septic guy over here at the house, and he hasn't showed up yet, but the flooring guy is here doing an amazing job, and they actually showed up to do some stone. Kids are gonna play with the GoPro. And look, they got all this stuff done. This is amazing. The flooring is looking great. And they got down this really cool cardboard stuff that feels really neat on your feet. So the kids are barefoot, they think that's fun. So it is February 24th. We stopped over to check out the house. They have put in all the flooring except for carpet. The backsplash is in, looks pretty nice. They did put the stone on the fireplace, but they messed it up. So they will be redoing that. February 25th, and we have the electric guys here doing switches, and we have Seth here doing the plumbing, which these look really nice installed there against the white countertop. So they have finally uncovered the sink since they have to install stuff pretty soon. Look how pretty that is. That was a $250 upgrade, but that's okay. It's gonna be awesome. So it's March 2nd. We came over to the house to see what they're up to. We did stop by earlier, and they did put up the wrong color gutters. Somebody obviously doesn't know how to read. Looks like Tony is still here putting up electric. We got lanterns outside. So we are letting the kids christen their rooms so we know whose room it is. Cam's room, 2026. Nice work, buddy. Nice work. So Tony and Sean have been here all day doing lights. They got all the cans in. Oh. Got the media room, got the cans up there. They worked on the fireplace, getting it done. All right, so Peyton is christening her room. It now says Peyton's room, and she's got the date going up. You drawing a heart too, babe? 2026. through the dust. Tomorrow we get carpet, so this is the last day we can do this. All right, it is Wednesday, March 4th. Looks like they have put the cedar beams up in the eaves. Looks really nice. Got the lights on. And let's go see. I think they got carpet in yesterday too. The kids have made a fort out of the cardboard.
Now I just need to get out.
It's like
It
a
looks like a
maze.
maze.
Sort of is. You just gotta make certain to get out.
Wow.
There's supposed to be more stuff.
Yeah, we're gonna be over here. So it is Sunday, March 15th, and a lot has gone on at the house. And I haven't been doing any videos, just been busy doing other stuff. We put these nice racks in for Jess's clothes, the dry away racks. Those are in. They got carpet down the stairs. Turn that light off. We came over the other day with Papa and my dad, did appliances. We got everything in the mirrors and stuff. Looks good. We're about done. Everything in here. The doors up. Got the microwave in. Lighting's all in. They fixed the fireplace. It turned out beautiful now. That looks good all the way to the ceiling, all around the mantle there. If we come out this door, I think Mom and Peyton are out here. Hello! Wave to the camera. Yeah, Cam's out in the woods somewhere. So the kids' bedrooms are done. Run over there real quick. They look really nice. All right, so here's Peyton's room. Got her closet all done. Let's see, where's the light? There we go. Got some stuff in there. And then her bathroom. Got a toilet. Got all that in. Looking good. We gotta get some shower doors or something. Looks good. Go over to Cam's real quick. All right, go over to Cam's. The power was out here for 48 hours actually. The power just came on. We haven't been over here, but at home we lost power for about 14 hours, but at this house it just came on. It was out for 48 hours. That's a long time. So it's kind of cold. What's the thermostat say? Yeah, it's 56 degrees in here. Okay, so we are getting our couch delivered today. Woohoo. And Peyton has a fun trick. Bam! On the pile of pillows.
I'm gonna try to open couch.